Ready? Yes? Yes, Alcazar. If you're sitting on the root waves, then on Tuesday, what is my topic? I'll be finishing this week first. Sorry. Thank you, Alcazar, for reminding me of that. I'll be finishing this rogue wave and your topic for next week, week 3, Alcazar, will be discussing thank you, ma'am. That's a good story. I love that story among others, okay? So your story will be thank you, mom. That's your story. You will be discussing that on Sunday, not Tuesday. You include the vocabulary words and then attack them with the question and answer. Class, you have to prepare yourself. You also have to